The National Weather Service in Bloomington has issued a severe weather warning for the following counties: Pickaway, Fairfield, Ross, and Franklin. Large thunderstorms tonight have a chance of becoming the Ravioli storm. Be cautious of your surroundings, and if needed, seek shelter. The Ravioli storm can be identified by weather radar, and if it is spotted, an immediate warning will be issued. We advise to be prepared for anything, and to stay calm. The National Weather Service in Bloomington has issued a severe weather statement. An immediate shelter-in-place has been issued for central, south central, and southern Ohio. The Ravioli storm has been spotted by the Doppler weather radar headed south-southeast. Affected areas will be damaged by the raviolis and sauce. If you are caught in the storm, there is no hope. You will die. If you are hearing this message, immediately get to shelter, as this is a life or death situation.